Ella, and today I have a slime package from slime_bay_72, and she's a girl that I met on Instagram. And she told me she'd send me a package, and it's here very late. I love this tape she used. It is to Ella from slime_bay_72. And I'm looking for the note. Oh, yeah, it's right here. No. It says, dear. Oh, yeah. For some reason on the bag it says Ella because it was addressed to my sister on accident. So, yeah. So, my sister was like, hey, I didn't order anything. Is this yours? I'm like, yes. So, Dear Paige. It's on the note, it says Dear Paige. On the package, it says to Ella. Dear Paige, here's your order. Jumbo Blue Slime, $3. Mini Blue Slime, $3.99. Extras are included. Slime_bay_72. First thing I'm going to pull out. Oh, there's another thing. No refund, no contact. I hate you. Broken heart. I have no clue why this is in there. So yeah. First thing I'm gonna pull out are my extras. I'm gonna grab all of it because there's like a little bag full of them, but the bag broke. Oh, I just grabbed it and the bag broke. Here's all of these are the extras, and she gave me some washi tape. I love it. She gave me this nice little lavender one. Lavender. Other one she gave me is this pink one with white and light pink polka dots. I'm gonna find the here we go. I really like this pattern. The other one she gave me was this blue and white stripe, black and white stripe, and the other one is this one. Oh, this is the one that she used on the package. I love it. 5 washi tapes. Great. Next thing I'm pulling out is, oh my gosh, this is my Jumbo Blue Slime, and I ordered this for $3. I really like it. I'm just gonna quickly turn the camera so you guys can see me. Oh. Oh, okay, hold on. Quickly, I'm gonna find something to lay it on so I can show you guys. I'm gonna use this marker box. This is my Jumbo Blue Slime. I like this slime, just that the only thing that's bad about this is because this thing right here, it says I hate you. I have no complete idea. Oh, there's one more extra I forgot all about it. It's this ball that says Hampton Beach. And I don't know how this person knew that I went to Hampton Beach already, but I went to Hampton Beach and I actually got the other one that was in the store. Okay, next thing. This is my mini blue slime, and I was expecting it to be about that big. Here's the jumbo one, and here's the mini one. I paid $3.99 for this. That's the other bad thing about this. So I'm just revealing the tape, and this is the tape that she gave me. That's okay. Just well, there's a lot of this colored tape left. See, this is the tape she used. There's a whole bunch of it left, so I don't really care that much. I just hate that I paid a mini slime for $4, and this is how big it is. So, ooh, here's the mini. This is a little amount, and I understand that this is a tiny container and a tiny slime. This is my mini slime. I ordered it for $3.99, and this is the jumbo one I ordered for $3. This is $4. $7 for slime. I can't say that slime is really popular. That's why it's so much. By the way, this right here is my Baby Live bed. I'm right now having all the girls take a nap because I'm doing the morning routine after this. And I'm actually really mad about this, and yeah, I'm definitely going to contact the seller. And another thing, guys, this is a spoof. I'm so sorry if you guys got really mad. No hate, just like, comment, and subscribe, and bye!